Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start affiliate marketing with Walgreens step by step clearly. First, go to the Walgreens website and familiarize yourself with their products and services. Next, search for the Walgreens affiliate program. You can find this by scrolling to the bottom of the website and looking for the affiliates link. Click on the link to learn more about their affiliate program. Once on the affiliate program page, read through the details to understand commission rates, terms, and conditions. If everything looks good, look for the application link to join the program. Fill out the application form with the required personal and payment information. Submit your application and wait for approval. Once approved, log into your affiliate dashboard. Here, you will find your unique affiliate links for Walgreens products. Choose the products that fit your niche or audience. Create engaging content around those products. This could be blog posts, videos, or social media posts. Include your affiliate links in the content. Make sure to disclose that you're using affiliate links. Promote your content through social media channels or email newsletters. Track your performance through the affiliate dashboard for insights. Adjust your strategies based on what works best for your audience. Stay updated with Walgreens promotions or sales to maximize your earnings. Continuously test different types of content to see what resonates most with your audience. Finally, be patient, as building a successful affiliate marketing strategy takes time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.